Hi, my name is Cheryl, and we are at Whitehall Library in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we are at our monthly cookbook club. Our cookbook club started 8 years ago with about 5 members, and it's grown to 15 right now. Each month we choose a cookbook. Each person chooses a recipe and prepares it and brings it to the library for us to share. This month's was Everyone's Italian on Sunday, Rachel's book.
The pork marsala.
Penny alla vodka with prosciutto and peas.
Roasted sausages with grapes.
Tomato soup with vodka.
Caesar stuffed deviled eggs.
I've been coming, I guess, over a year now. It's wonderful that we've got this mix that sometimes you have people you haven't seen for 4 or 5 months and they'll bring in something really spectacular.
I think things went very well today. We had a great book, a great selection of entrees, and a great conversation with our friends.
We're all Italian today. Ciao, Rachel.
So cute. So Cheryl's here. Cheryl, of course, we will send you guys a copy of 50/50 when it's hot off the press. But hopefully also joining us via FaceTime is Brandon. That lay was insane. Did you see that? I mean, did a circle of all of my heads around his neck. Hi, Brandon. There's some of the other gang. That's the Whitehall Public Library Cookbook Club back in Pittsburgh. I hear that you're kind of the ringleader. Is that true? Are you kind of the group leader for these little shindigs?
I call myself that, but no one else does. I try to make the room look pretty.
So, and you did an excellent job. It looked really tasty.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Does anybody have a favorite from the book? Cheryl was saying she loves the Caesar stuffed eggs, as do I, my
I
friend.
do.
As do I.
Yeah.
Anybody else have favorites from the book?
My favorite was there's a theme here. The penne vodka and the tomato vodka soup.
Oh, I see. Anything that allows the cook to get a little vodka, it seems, right? Well, guys, I have a book that I'm working on now. It won't be out for about a year, but it's celebrating the first 50 years of my life and 50 great stories. I'd love to come to your library. Maybe we could put together some sort of book signing there.
That would be wonderful.
Yeah, we could do it. Maybe your book club could make a snack or something.
Yeah,
that would be fun. All right, pinky swear. I pinky swear. We'll do that. We'll make a plan because I love Pittsburgh.
Wonderful.